What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. This is my first video I've ever made before, so excuse me if I am a little rusty. I've decided to do my first video on unboxing Young Nails mystery box for Black Friday 2020. I'm so excited to see and show you guys everything but I'm really shocked that they even put these in here because I know they retail for about like $52, and I've never really planned on trying something like this because the price is a little bit too high for me personally, but I'm so excited to actually get a chance to use these now. Thank you so much. This one is the gloss. This Synergy gel is 2 ounces, I believe, but it has like a super cute tip. It's nice and easy to apply. I've seen some of these videos, like some of the people working on it, and I actually thought about getting this one because it looked easier than using these two, but I'm just so excited to try them all and practice until I get perfect. Next thing that I'm excited to show you guys are all the nail powders they gave us in this box. I believe they gave us 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5. This one, I was so excited. I've been wanting to buy this one. I just haven't yet, and they put it in here. I know some of you guys were saying like, oh, they're just giving you guys the ones that don't sell. They're, I don't think so. I think that they're personally doing their best to give us the best things that they can for the best prices. You guys, I feel like some people just look for anything to complain about, and that's not right. This one is in the color Speed White. I've used this one before. I really like this one. I use this to practice, and personally, I like when it dries quicker because I like to shape it faster, and it just works for me better. I don't like when it drips everywhere and gets kind of messy. It's too much for me. This one is in the color Core French Pink. Super cute. I've seen some people do a couple looks on this one, which I'm kind of excited to try out myself. And oh my god, Cover Earth. If you guys seen this one, it's like a cute, like more natural color. Super cute. Perfect for the fall. Actually, I can use that one all year round. And then Speed Clear. We can always, use a clear. Everybody loves their clears. The little nail stickers are super in right now. The foils, all that stuff. So it's super cute to use.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
protein bond. How did they know that I needed a protein bond? I thought it was a nail polish, but I'll take this over nail polish any day. This is the holy grail to all your freaking routines. I swear, once you try that, you'll never try anything else. I promise you that. Next thing that I'm going to show you guys are these nail art trays that they put in. They gave me 7 of them. I'm pretty sure all of the large mystery boxes, they all have like the same things in them. So there's this design, this design. They also included their nail liquid and 6 fluid ounces. I actually needed another bottle, so this is gonna do good for now until my other one comes in. I bought another one for the Black Friday sale because it was just too good to pass up. Oh, actually, this also came with the mystery box. I believe this is for the nail art things. You like, you know, if you know, you know. If you don't, you need to know. I'm just kidding. They also gave me this. I thought it was so cute. I love everything like bedazzly. I love sparkly things, as you can see. I'm just kidding. But I know this goes, at first I was like, were they supposed to give me a brush and they didn't give it to me? But this goes like this, I believe. If I'm wrong, don't laugh. I'm sorry. I'm just kidding. I know it goes like this. This is my Kolinsky brush. I actually need to buy a new one. This is my favorite brush ever. I know it looks horrible. It is horrible. It needs, you know, to go to rest. Real quick, I'm going to show you guys all of the glitters, milers, and pigments they included in this mystery box. They gave me so many. I was so happy because I love to get all iced out, blinged out, and like to, you know, do my clients with some cute, really cute nails. This was like the cherry on top of this whole mystery box. They gave me so many things. I know I've seen some of you guys talking about what they put in this box. You guys are crazy. This box is so good. So the first one I'm going to show you guys is the Shock Las Vegas collection. This is like a purple pigment. Really cute. The next one is the Shimmering Sand. It's a glitter, I believe. This is really pretty. The next one is Emerald.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
For watching this video. Let me know what you guys think about these products. Another thing I forgot to show you guys is this giant bottle of hand sanitizer they gave me. This pandemic is rising again. COVID is no joke. Don't be selfish, take it pretty serious, but let me know what you guys think about this box. Overall, I spent $100. I feel personally like I got my money's worth, but let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment. Like, comment, and subscribe. I am a YouTuber now. I'm just kidding. But let me know what you guys think.